don't have bear spray. I really should have bear spray. It's Murphy back in the States for a little bit, hitting up a couple of national parks this summer. Really want to get to Glacier National Park, Grand Teton, maybe Yellowstone, we'll see. Might hit even Yosemite on the way back, who knows? Anytime you're traveling in the US, you gotta stop on Route 66. The main freeway is where it will take you if you go across the country, east and west. But just above or below that, depending on where you are, is Route 66. And there will be so many cute little kitschy towns that have yesteryear Americana involved. You really need to make a stop. This is Williams, Arizona. Smells like pine. Sitting Bull Campground in the Bighorn National Forest. Very well kept, very clean. Probably the cleanest pit toilets that I've ever seen. And I've used a good amount of those. Seen moose, seen lots of deer, including right up at the campsite. There's an alpine lake that's just down the road a little bit. I'll have some footage of that as well. There's a beautiful meadow that you can walk back through, and then there's a nice wide trail. You can mountain bike, you can bring ATVs off-road. There are a heck of a lot of mosquitoes. This is late June 2026, so bring your bug spray, but otherwise, really fantastic campground. Don't sleep on this one if you're on the way to Teton, for example, or like I am on the way to Glacier. This is a great stopping point. They do have water that's here, which is very nice for cleaning, and there it is. And like I said, bathrooms, there's 3 or 4 that are throughout the campgrounds. I think there's about 40 sites here, maybe a little more. Trash bins are around. They seem to be cleaning everything almost daily. Talking to the camp host, some of the sites you can reserve through the National Park Service website, and some you cannot. So I just drove in and was able to get a site. There's plenty of sites that are open. They're really spacious. You could get a camper in for sure, or a pull behind, or like I said, if you're bringing toys, if you got a dirt bike or a 4-wheeler. But as you drive around, they'll have these little signs it'll tell you if it's reserved or not. And if it's not, you just pull up and then go pay. You can pay by check. I never would have thought of that. Cash is the normal way. And obviously, if you reserve through the NPS site, you can pay right there. But here's another site. You can see a little better in the sunshine. Really nice campground. Watch those mosquitoes. It's Murphy, somewhere in Bighorn National Forest in Wyoming. I started down a trail and realized I don't have bear spray. And I've come up to a creek, which is beautiful, and I'm realizing I really should have bear spray.